Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 Vlogs. Welcome to Melbourne Museum Dinosaur Walk exhibit. The Dinosaur Walk at Melbourne Museum offers an immersive journey through prehistoric times, featuring 17 dinosaur and megafauna skeletons, interactive exhibits, and the world's most complete Triceratops fossil. Overview of the Dinosaur Walk. The Dinosaur Walk is a permanent exhibition at Melbourne Museum that brings dinosaurs, pterosaurs, and megafauna to life. Visitors can walk around, under, and even through the skeletons of 17 prehistoric animals, combining scientific accuracy with immersive displays to explore how these creatures moved, ate, and survived in their environments. The exhibition is designed to be educational and engaging for all ages, making it ideal for families, school groups, and dinosaur enthusiasts. Horridus the Triceratops. Meet the most complete Triceratops fossil in the world, a centerpiece of the exhibition. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Victoria the T-Rex. From June 2024, visitors can see the interactive display of a 66-million-year-old Tyrannosaurus, the largest real T-Rex fossil ever displayed in Australia. Other dinosaurs includes Deinonychus, Tarbosaurus, Gallimimus, Hadrosaur, and other theropods and ornithopods, with detailed information about their anatomy, behavior, and evolutionary links to birds. Gondwana Garden, an outdoor paleontological gallery exploring Victoria's ancient landscapes and prehistoric life. Interactive and educational features, touchable objects, and multimedia exhibits allow visitors to explore dinosaur movement and feeding habits. Virtual tour and educational resources are available for students and teachers to enhance learning before or after a visit. Children's activities. The museum's children's gallery includes fossil digs and interactive play areas for younger visitors. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia playlist. Guided tour visitors can join a 1-hour guided tour led by an expert, which includes general museum admission, headsets to hear the guide clearly, exclusive gift tote bag and lanyard, 10% discount at the museum store. The tour provides a timeless journey through 600 million years of history, highlighting Victoria's fossil collection and dinosaur evolution. Please do watch our other Melbourne Museum playlist. Visitor information, location, 11 Nicholson Street, Carlton, Melbourne, Victoria 3053. Opening hours, daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Entry fees, standard adult entry $18, children up to 16 years free. Temporary exhibitions may cost extra. Recommended visit duration, 2 to 4 hours to fully explore the Dinosaur Walk and other museum highlights. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Tips for visitors. Start with the Dinosaur Walk if visiting with children or for the first time, as it is the most popular section. Morning visits are ideal to avoid crowds. Combine the Dinosaur Walk with other museum highlights like the Forest Gallery, First Peoples exhibitions, and the Far Lap display for a full experience. Tickets can be booked online, especially during weekends, school holidays, or for guided tour. The Melbourne Museum Dinosaur Walk is a must-visit for dinosaur enthusiasts, offering a mix of awe-inspiring fossils, interactive learning, and immersive experiences that bring prehistoric life to the present day. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.